this is from new Barbie from this one. This is number one, pick your shirt. Number two, you can design your shirt, and this is here's the second Barbies. So let's look at the back. And this is any Barbies you can find from this collection. So this is the same thing in the back. So let's open it and see what they have. It's a little bit messy here. So, but that's okay. So let's open it with them. It's really hard to open, but it's really cute. And
You say thank you to Tita Adele. Hey, say thank you. Who gave you that?
this is really nice.
Hey, who gave you that?
Tita did. My Tita did give this to me. So we got this. We got this short and this little things. We got the second dress. Now this is the prettiest dress I ever seen. So this is one last dress here, and we got designs, and we got one more designs, two designs. So this is a little bit cute. This is for the skirt, or you can just display. So this is very cute, nice. And here's the little things here. We got the shoes, hearts. So this is the second shoe. So this is the one we got, So we got one more piece in the box here. Let's see. So that's the other pieces. Let's get started to designs our Barbie. Wait, I just get my second Barbie because they're friends. They love to be friends, anything. So you just wait. You 2 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay? Wait then, Mama. So I'm back. That's really easy to get. So this is her nice friend. So let's get started to make them friends. Hi. Yes. So we just want to wear a nice little shirt to wear. So this girl, she wants to wear this one. They're having a party. So this is complete white. This is her dress.
You say bye.
And after that, and this one wants to wear the second one. Jessica did give this to me. So this is a very nice dress. This is still really nice.
Say bye.
And bye bye. See you.
I will.